Each one of us, we are sinking or we are swimming in this pool of karma. It is said karma asayaha. Sometimes the yogis say, it is because we think I am individual, so I have a backpack of my own karma. Why it is said backpack? Because the bag is remaining in your back. As this bag is packed since long time, we don't remember that this is there. We have packed many things. If you think of your own journey, when you have started your journey, suppose coming from your place to this place, sometimes you will think that I have brought some things which are useless. Sometimes you will think that, oh, I forgot it. It would have been useful. Similarly, now I think it is useless, but I have packed it. Why this thing is coming to me? It is useless for me. You wanted, you got it. You have packed it, it is in your packet. As they are in seed form, they wait for proper environment to come to sprout and to give result. Gurudev's Gurudev, Vijaya Krishna, he said that why we pass through some result of karma which we don't need it now. We don't want it, we don't like it to have. He has explained it with a beautiful story or example. A child is sick. During his sickness, he wanted to have some special food. But mother knows that this food is not good when he is sick or she is sick. The mother tells, look, don't think of that food now. Become healthy, I will give you that food later. You just eat this. Now the child is not enjoying the food the mother has provided, which is good for sickness. Because the child is expecting some other food. Here in Odisha, at least, when one is suffering from fever, one wants to eat sour stuff, pickles. It comes. I want to eat this. The mother tells, no, you have fever, you have cold, you have cough, you should not eat it. You should eat easily digestible food. Child is not releasing it. The mother has promised, I will give you when you are healthy. Now the child is healthy, doesn't want to eat those pickles or spicy stuff. The mother is telling, eat it. Because you wanted, I wanted that time, but I didn't want now, but you wanted it. Divine Mother is like that. Whichever karma has come to us, it is our own wish. Own wish.